Who wants to be a millionaire?
Hey everybody, welcome back to week 10 of Levi's Guide to Building a $1 Million Portfolio. Hopefully you've been enjoying this series so far, and I know it's been a little bit of work each week, but we're finally there. This is week 10. This is when we actually get to make the investments for real. You're going to sit down with your broker. You're either going to go into his office or you're going to phone him, make the decisions, and finalize those purchases. That's only one part of the process. The second thing that you're going to do is you're going to get a dividend schedule from him. This is the start. This is when next month or 3 months from now, you're going to be receiving your first dividends after you make these purchases today. It's a very exciting day. Congratulations on making it here. If you're not already a subscriber, please click the subscribe button down below, give this video a like, and turn on your notifications bell. Thanks so much for watching. Let's get rich together. See you next week for week 11.